Hi, I'm Chris with Carnival Cruise Line, and this is episode 250 of Yakety-Yak straight from the Yak's mouth. John Heald, Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador, posts on his Facebook page where you can ask him questions. He answers the questions, we read the questions and the answers, and we take the lies, the cool, the funny, the myths, and we put them here for you. So on today's episode, we're talking about, is the corkage fee only in the dining rooms? Will the Carnival Freedom ever get its whale tail back? Pizza making classes, can 10 and 12-year-olds go to that? The casinos, 18 and older? And do the crew get to pick the ship they go on?
And this is straight from the Yak's mouth.
All right, question one. This cruiser wanted to know if the corkage fee would only apply to the dining room. Would they be charged if they brought the champagne to the Lido deck or Serenity deck and they opened it themselves? John said, no, you wouldn't, unless you asked a bartender or a bar waiter to open it and pour it for you. Then they're going to charge you the corkage fee. So if you wanted to do it on an open deck, pop some champagne, feel free, no charge. Question two. This cruiser wants to know if the Carnival Freedom will ever get its whale tail back. John said, stay tuned about that. He's also answered this question previously, saying they have to plan accordingly because they have to take the ship out of service for a decent amount of time to put the whale tail back on. That said, it's already lit on fire twice. Does it need a whale tail? I'm just saying. I mean, 2 times. So if you like a boat with a whale tail, don't book the Freedom. That's all I'm saying. Might burn down again. Speaking of like, if you like what you see and you enjoy cruising content, please like and subscribe. We would greatly appreciate that. Question 3. This cruiser is going on an Excel class ship where they offer the pizza making classes, and they wanted to know if their 10 and 12-year-old kids can join them, or is it adults only? John said it is adults only. So 10 and 12-year-olds can't go. I mean, personally, I think they're missing a revenue stream there. They can do a kids class for that because the kids would love making the pizzas. I can tell you, we've done the pizza making class and loved making the pizzas and ended up buying a pizza oven because of it. So yeah, if you're on the Excel class ships and that class is available, or any of the cooking classes really, I would definitely book it early because they sell out and it is fun. Question 4. This cruiser read on the Carnival Hub app that the casino is for 18 and older. She said they are cruising on the Radiance out of Long Beach, and they will have 2 19-year-olds with them that might want to be cheeky and try the slots, but they thought it was 21 and over. John said, yeah, in the casino, it is 18 and over. It is 21 and over to drink anywhere on the boat, but in the casino, it's 18 and over. Last question. This cruiser was curious. Does the crew get to pick the boat they go on, or is it assigned to them? So what ship do they get? John said they are sent by assignment. They can always request a certain ship, and they do their best to accommodate, but when you have 30,000 crew members working at one time and thousands more waiting to come back from vacation, it isn't always possible. I know for all the cruising years we've been cruising, we've talked to people that actually are on the same cruise together because they're couples, and they do actually make a concerted effort to get them on the same boat so they can cruise together, which is really cool. You ask me. I think it's actually great. It'll be cool to cruise with Liz and, work on a cruise ship with Liz, and it'll be weird if we were separate. I'm just saying. Anyway, that's been episode 250 of Yakety-Yak straight from the Yak's mouth. Thanks for watching. Please take care.